Hello friends, here I am back with the career advice. This is Nagesh Joshi from Answer talking to you once again. In my earlier video, I talked about designation, title and how much important weightage you should give while you are making your next career move. Today I am going to talk about when it is right time to look for next career progression. In my last 10 years of career with Antel as a headhunter and as a career counselor, I have come across with several candidates who wanted change after spending their tenure in their current organization, right from few days of joining to very long tenure of couple of decades. Honestly, there is no fixed standard on how often you should make a move or after how many years you make a move. Well, it certainly depends on a lot of factors and also on the sector into which you are working. That is, for example, broadly IT and non-IT, etc. However, we definitely can have some guideline basis on which you can decide if it is the right time to move. As I mentioned, I have seen candidates approaching me right after they made a move to a new company, stating that they want to change as their family is not comfortable in relocation. There is a cultural difference, not getting aligned with the management or with the immediate manager. They don't see the growth or on a very futile reasons that there is no separate cabin for them or the car allotted to them is not of a premium brand car. Friends, while you've just moved into a new assignment, new job, it is very important to stick there for reasonable time. A lot of things are at stake when a company hires you, including your own career prospects. It is investment of time and money for all the stakeholders. If there are any hygiene issues like relocation, cultural differences, or for that matter a brand of a car you will be allotted to, you should ideally have done your homework, research and checked on all these aspects before you accept the offer. When you accept the offer and join a new company, then it is your moral responsibility to stick there for a reasonable time. Remember, as there are no perfect employees in the world, there are no perfect employees as well. It is very natural that you will take some time to get aligned, adjusted to the new way of working and settle in a new organization. The initial discomfort will start diminishing once you start settling in the system, and it can take few months to settle in the new organization. I would never recommend you to make a change in this period, as it will neither add any value to the organization nor to your profile. On the contrary, it will damage your profile in the long run. My suggestion will be to work harder, learn new way of working, unlearn few things, and most importantly, quickly align yourself to the organization, and then be the change agent by taking your management into confidence. Coming to a point where you have spent some decent time, like about 4 to 5 years in your current organization, and you are reasonably doing well in that company, and one day you get a call from a prospective employer or a headhunter presenting a potential career progression opportunity. Now the question is that whether you should explore it or not. Well, my suggestion would be to weigh the new opportunity with career progression in your current organization, and if you see that the new opportunity outweigh your current career progression at least by 2 moves, then definitely you should explore it. But if you see that the new opportunity is just a job change for you and probably you don't see any career progression happening over there, maybe just a change in the salary or a package or just a designation, then probably you can say sorry to it. There is another scenario. You have spent close to 4 to 5 years in one company, and you don't see much of excitement happening. There is no growth, there are not much of challenges, same mundane of work, and your career is stagnant. Then definitely you should explore with a new opportunity. If you have spent considerable time in one organization, when I say considerable, that means any period typically from 7-8 years and above. Again, it will vary depending on the sector you are into. But with that kind of a period, It's high time that you seriously assess your career. Why you're sticking to one company for a longer time? If you see your growth is consistent, you're getting changes in your profile periodically, obviously for better exposure and more challenges. When you get different regions to handle, that too from different locations, the growth obviously is in line with your career aspiration goals, then definitely you should love to continue in that same company for a longer period. In fact, I have so many friends of mine who joined their first company as a GT, and today after 25 years, they're still working in the same company, but they are at the level of CEOs, MDs and business head. And the most important thing is that they're enjoying their career. They're enjoying their journey for last 20-25 years. However, if you see that your career is not growing the way you expect it to grow, you are in the same profile for ages, and there are hardly any challenges, there are no new learnings, you are kind of in a parking zone, your career is in a parking zone, then definitely friends, it's a high time for you to look for opportunity outside of your current organization. I have also seen a lot of my friends sticking to one company for a longer duration just because they are in a comfort zone. They get used to this environment and they get complacent, and the most prominently that they don't want to take any risk. I would strongly suggest to those who are in this category to seriously look for options outside of your current organization. So friends, considering all these factors, you can decide if this is the right time for you to make a move. Wishing you all the best and see you again in my next career advising video. Thank you very much.